Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show total product quantity of item purchased in order detail page after checkout in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see we have two products with three quantity. So we are going to display product quantity in order detail page after checkout. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title here. Then you see code per view. On right side you see code type. Drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product quantity text. So you can add text according to requirement. And then you see get item count. Now scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down you see we have three quantities. Again scroll down. Then you see button place order so click on it. Now we are in order received page and scroll down you see all detail and then you see product quantity 3. So total product quantity number. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.